So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's understand CNAME versus alias record in Route 53. Okay, so you can see if we want to map load balancer DNS name to some FQDN, okay, so it allows with the help of CNAME record. Okay, so CNAME record you can map with some host name to some host name. So you can see this the FQDN you can map with this resource or to any resource, means any DNS name. So it only works if you have non-root domain name. So suppose if you want to map only your buddy.link to this load balancer, it will not work, it will give you an error. Okay, you can say for example it will not work for your buddy.link. You have to map with this complete FQDN, means with subdomain. And here with alias you can see it is specific to Route 53, and it allow you to map hostname with specific AWS resources, like again knowledge point.yourbuddy.link. You can point to this ALB DNS, and it can work for root as well as non-root domain. It means you can also map your buddy.link alias to this load balancer. In CNAME it is not possible. Alias is only for A record and AAA record. Generally this record is for IPv6. You cannot set TTL in alias record. This is fine. And target for this alias you can see load balancer, CloudFront, API gateway, Elastic Beanstalk, S3 website, static website, VPC interface endpoint, global accelerator, Route 53 in the same hosted zone. Okay, and you have to remember you cannot set alias for EC2 DNS name. Okay, so that's it for this theory. So now I am in console. Okay, and I have one load balancer which is active. If I will copy this and I will paste, you can see I am getting this hello world from a server. So this is our domain Route 53 page. So first we will create CNAME record. So I will type CNAME. You can type anything, like for example your data dot yourbuddy dot link. Okay, and here record type I will choose CNAME, and I will paste here the ALB DNS name, and I can create record. You can see your data yourbuddy dot link I have created. It's a CNAME record. If I will copy and I will paste here, after some DNS checker, it should give you this page. Okay, this is the same page which we are getting from ALB. So this is fine. Okay, so here again in notepad I have told you that it only works if you have non-root domains. Okay, so let's try this. So now I try to map this yourbuddy.link on this DNS. Let's try. So I'm creating again yourbuddy.link CNAME to this, and I will create record. You can see we are getting error. Okay, because Apex is not permitted. Correct. Hence we proved root domain we cannot create as CNAMEs. Okay, so now let's check the alias. So now for alias I will type alias record dot yourbuddy.link. Okay, and it is a, and you can see here we have alias feature. I will click this. So we have this much of option, and I will choose alias to application load balancer. And here what I will do, I will type US hyphen, okay, North Virginia we have elastic load balancer and this is our load balancer, correct? And here you can see, here I have told you you cannot set TTL in the alias record. So here you can see you don't have TTL option. Okay, so I'm creating this record and you can see this is our alias record. If I will copy this, let's try to run this. After some time it should also give you same page. Okay, so this is also working perfectly fine. And now the last thing I have told you, it can work for root as well as non-root domain. So let's try this out. We are in DNS page. Let's create record and I will your buddy.link is fine. Alias to application load balancer US East 1 region and this load balancer. Let's create this. Okay, so it is not working. Why it is not working? Because a record is already exists somewhere. Okay, this is the record. Let me delete this record. I have already a record for this cloud front. Let's create another record again. I will click on alias, then I will choose load balancer. I will choose US East 1 region and I will choose application load balancer and then I will click on create record. So see, for root domain we have created. Okay, so this is now let's check this out. After some DNS query, it should also give you the page. Okay, so this is the practical for the CNAMEs. Hope you understand what is a record and what is CNAME record and how we can configure in DNS in Route 53. And this alias feature is very specific to Route 53. If you have on-premise maybe ED or DNS, maybe this feature is not available because this is specific to AWS resources. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.